She runs every morning before work.
She runs every morning before work.
The cat jumped over the fence.
The cat jumped over the fence.
They eat dinner at 7 p.m.
They eat dinner at 7 p.m.
He drank a glass of water.
He drank a glass of water.
I usually sleep for 8 hours.
I usually sleep for 8 hours.
She reads a book every week.
She reads a book every week.
He writes poems in his free time.
He writes poems in his free time.
Can you speak French?
Can you speak French?
I listen to the teacher carefully.
I listen to the teacher carefully.
She cooks delicious meals.
She cooks delicious meals.
He drives to work every day.
He drives to work every day.
We swam in the lake yesterday.
We swam in the lake yesterday.
Let's walk to the park.
Let's walk to the park.
They climbed the mountain last weekend.
They climbed the mountain last weekend.
He threw the ball to his friend.
He threw the ball to his friend.
I caught the bus just in time.
I caught the bus just in time.
She bought a new dress.
She bought a new dress.
He sells cars for a living.
He sells cars for a living.
The child drew a house with crayons.
The child drew a house with crayons.
She painted a beautiful landscape.
She painted a beautiful landscape.
He sings in the choir.
He sings in the choir.
The joke made everyone laugh.
The joke made everyone laugh.
She cried during the movie.
She cried during the movie.
They built a tree house.
They built a tree house.
He broke his phone.
He broke his phone.
Can you fix this chair?
Can you fix this chair?
She opened the window.
She opened the window.
Please close the door.
Please close the door.
He washed the car.
He washed the car.
I cleaned my room.
I cleaned my room.
She studies hard for exams.
She studies hard for exams.
He teaches math at school.
He teaches math at school.
I learned a new language.
I learned a new language.
She helped me with my homework.
She helped me with my homework.
We watched a movie last night.
We watched a movie last night.
They won the game.
They won the game.
He lost his keys.
He lost his keys.
They traveled to Italy last summer.
They traveled to Italy last summer.
The birds fly south for the winter.
The birds fly south for the winter.
He dug a hole in the garden.
He dug a hole in the garden.
They planted flowers in the yard.
They planted flowers in the yard.
She shouted for help.
She shouted for help.
He whispered a secret.
She shouted favor help.
The boy kicked the ball.
The boy kicked the ball.
He hit the wall in anger.
He hit the wall in anger.
I pulled the door open.
I pulled the door open.
She pushed the cart.
She pushed the cart.
Everyone clapped after the performance.
Everyone clapped after the performance.
The crowd cheered loudly.
The crowd cheered loudly.
The sun shines brightly.
The sun shines brightly.
The plant is growing fast.
The plant is growing fast.
The plant is growing fast.
The plant is growing fast.